Living a healthy lifestyle is way easier than you thought it was. It really comes down to setting up habits and routines that make your life easier. So here's 3 ways that you can make your life easier and live a healthier lifestyle. And when I tell you guys that these are so simple, they are so simple. For 1, and y'all are gonna laugh. Y'all are gonna laugh at how easy this is. Meal prep your breakfast when you're already cooking dinner. You're already in the kitchen. You're probably waiting a little bit, right? You're sauteing some onions. Takes a second. Make a chia seed pudding. Takes 2 seconds. Take 2 seconds, put it in the fridge. That way, in the morning, you're already on the go. Or it saves you that time to do whatever you want to do in your morning routine. It sets you up for success. 2, again, y'all are gonna laugh. Y'all are gonna laugh. A cup or a cup full of water next to the coffee machine. Such a simple reminder to drink a glass of water before you have your cup of coffee. Helps you stay hydrated, which is, in fact, healthy. 3, y'all, book your workout classes in advance. They're already on your calendar. They are already on your calendar. You're gonna show up. You already paid for them. Or if workout classes are not your thing, schedule your walks, schedule your workouts with a friend. Just put it in your calendar. Whatever it is you're doing, put it in your calendar. Something about it being in a calendar makes you be like, yeah, I set that time aside already. I'm going to do it. Last little throw in, not even a tip, just an extra little throw in. Do things slow. Start things slow. Go on a walk. That's your workout for the day. Work out 3 times a week. Work your way into it. Don't exhaust yourself too soon. I'm telling you guys, it's about the habits and the routines that are going to set you up for success.